law. Okay, in this case now, the power of the base is a fraction. What do you do is this scenario now? The power of the base, for instance, I'm having here now, I'm having x raised to power 1 over 2. Here now, the power is a fraction. Okay, the power is now a fraction. So what are you going to do? If you're missing something like this, you are going to do something. Recognize the base, recognize the fraction that's in the power, and then do something with the fraction. Anything you have as the denominator of the fraction that's in the power, you're using to form a root. You see that? What I mean by that? If I'm having 2 here, like this one here currently is 2, so it's going to be what? A square root of the base raised to power a numerator 1. See that? Anything you have in the denominator should be used to form a root of the base raised to power the numerator. Okay, let me have something like this. And I'm having here now, I'm having a raised to the power 5 over 3. Want to work on this? A raised by 5 over 3. How do you do that? What's the denominator? Okay, firstly, what's the base? The base is A. What's the fraction there? Fraction is what? 5 over 3. So now, what's the denominator of a fraction? 3, right? So I'm going to use the denominator to form a root. That makes sense. It's 3 as the fraction, denominator of the fraction is going to be what? A cube root. So that denominator is 3, so it's going to be what? The cube root of the base is what? A raised to power what? 5. See that? Okay, okay, okay. This is very clear. This one known as fractional law. It's very, very important, very, very crucial. So don't have to deal with this. Also, you should know how to change this to this. So that meaning, for instance, I'm having here, I have now the foot root of 9. This foot root of 9 is equivalent to what? 9 raised to the power. Here is 1. So that 1 over 4. This is the same thing as this. Okay, know how to change this to this. Just know how to trace it. Okay, because you may need the ideas of that in let me say in many areas. Know how to trace that. Know how to change this to this, change this to this. For instance, now I'm having now let me say the fifth root of x raised to the power 4. So that if I'm having something like this, it's equivalent to what? What is the base? The base is s. What's the power? The power here, power is what? 4 over what is the root? The root is what? 5. See that? This is equivalent to this. And this is also equivalent to this. Know how to work on those things in this fractional law. Exactly. Okay, let's take number 5. Number 5, I'll call it what? A negative index. The negative index. Look at it now. Negative